I am Ritu Kantawala, your tarot card reader and Vastu consultant. Today I am going to tell you how your year 2026 is going to be for you. आज हम बात करेंगे कि आने वाला साल 2026 आपके लिए कैसे रहेगा। शुरुआत में सबसे पहले I would like to say this year is the year governed by the sun. सूर्य की एनर्जी है जो कि ये साल को गवर्न करेगी as it is number 1. When you add 2026, it comes to 10, which is number 1, which is signifying the sun. When we talk about sun, it means positive energy, it means shining, it means new beginnings. As you know that nothing can exist without the sun energy. So to begin with, this year will have many new beginnings, setting of foundations. Also in different sectors, I would like to talk about how this year would be for India. हमारे देश के लिए ये साल कैसे रहेगा in all different topics. To begin with, AI. Future is AI, and this coming year we will have to upskill in that. People will have to learn more and more. टेक्नोलॉजी पे भी ज्यादा ध्यान देंगे और हम आगे बढ़ेंगे। ग्लोबल सीन में हमारा नाम रोशन रहेगा। इंडिया विल बी शाइनिंग। मोर एंड मोर मेक इन इंडिया प्रोडक्ट्स, मोर एंड मोर सेक्टर्स डेवलपिंग। हमारे लिए ये साल बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण रहेगा। Let's begin with what the cards have in store for the year 2026. ये साल कैसे रहेगा? सबसे पहले मेष राशि एरियंस के लिए How would this year be for you? Definitely going back to a past job or career would be beneficial. Instead of trying something new, you could have a new beginning in an old career. There would be some misunderstandings with loved ones, with colleagues, so you have to be a little careful in this year. Health पे भी ज़्यादा focus देना है, ध्यान देना है. You could be accident prone, so be a little cautious. Overall, a good year as far as finance is concerned. Also, you could buy property. There is prosperity, and all in all, you would be going through this year in a very positive way. Let's see how this year 2026 would be for Taurians वृषभ राशि. आपके लिए ये साल कैसे रहेगा? To begin with, there is victory, there is compromise, relationships will improve, financial gains है, work wise आप आगे बढ़ेंगे, there is promotion, there is also going forward in a very positive way as far as relationship is concerned. Risks would heal. आपको ज्यादा ध्यान देना है हेल्थ पे, उस पे ज्यादा फोकस करना है. Travel would be extremely good. There could even be overseas travel. Let's move forward. How would this year be for Gemini's मिथुन राशि? आपके लिए ये साल कैसे रहेगा? What do the cards have to say for your year? Focus more on happiness, family happiness, health पे भी ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है आपको. Work-wise, there would be progress. There could be some new beginnings as far as finance is concerned. Partnerships may have a little issue in this year. आपको थोड़ा ध्यान देना है उस पे. Overall, travel भी रहेगा. It's a good, profitable year for you. Focus on new beginnings, new ventures, maybe a new job, new business, and you would definitely see success. Moving forward for Cancerians, Kark Rashi. How would the year 2026 be for you? To begin with, let us see what the cards have in store for you. There could be rifts which will heal. आपके relationships better होंगे. Health wise you are going to do very well. New beginnings in health. Travel भी रहेगा. Business opportunities आएंगे. आपको उनको grab करना है. See that you take up those opportunities. Do not let them go away. As far as money is concerned, you could try something different, something new maybe investment ideas, and in that way आपका financial situation improve होगा, you would grow financially. ट्रैवल भी रहेगा एंड ओवरऑल आपको थोड़ी सी मेहनत और फोकस से आगे बढ़ना है. विदाउट फोकस you will not get the kind of gains you are looking for. Siha Rashi Leos. Let us see what the cards have in store for you in the coming year 2026. To begin with, you have to focus on your inner happiness and mental health. आपको ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है अपने मानसिक health पे. As far as finance is concerned, you are going to do extremely well. There is going to be a lot of savings. There's going to be financial gains. एक बहुत ही important decision लेना होगा as far as relationships are concerned. Overall, a good year for you, but you need to focus more on physical, mental and emotional happiness. Travel भी रहेगा and overall a very fulfilling year for you. Let's move forward and see how the year 2026 is for Kanya Rashi, Virgo. The cards suggest growth. They suggest that you will move forward towards more gains, more profits and promotion. Also, there could be travel, international travel coming up for you. Those involved in import-export trade would do extremely well. ये साल में there is going to be progress. आप आगे बढ़ने वाले हैं and overall you will have a very good year. Health wise आपको कोई conscious decision लेने हैं to improve your health. Also be little aware of people losing their temper on you. Since it is the year of the sun, you could be coming across people with bad temper. This is the time where you take a balanced approach, be more patient and tolerant. Financially, there is more discipline required and overall you will have a good year. Go forward and see how the year 2026 is for Tula Rashi Librans. How this year is going to be for you as per the tarot cards. A lot of balance is needed. Opportunities will be coming to you. See that you take them up or you could lose out on good opportunities. Overall relationships may be a little strained. You may get into some new relationship, a new job, new beginnings. Overall, the scenario seems a lot of change for you in this coming year. So be ready to accept the change and move with the change. Go towards progress. How is the year 2026 going to be for Scorpions, Vrishik Rashi? ये साल कैसे रहेगा आपके लिए 2026? To begin with, you are going to be at a good position. Female energy is heightened in this year. तो जितने भी स्कॉर्पियन women हैं उनके लिए ये साल बहुत ही profitable रहेगा. You have universal energies favoring you with the magician card. ये साल आपके लिए बहुत ही successful रहेगा. Work wise also, you could move into a new home, a new office. There is travel as well. Financially, there could be expenses, but for good deeds, like for something good. It could be either renovating a new house or a new office. I see growth for you and I see a very, very profitable year. How is the year 2026 for Sagittarians, Dhanu Rashi? Let us see what the cards have in store for Dhanu Rashi. New opportunities coming to you, new offers, new proposals, new beginnings. Health पे थोड़ा ध्यान देना है. Do not take it for granted. Work-wise, balanced approach would work very well. See that you do not go very aggressively into something. See that you approach it with a lot of patience and tolerance. Financially also there would be gains, लेकिन आप थोड़े बंधे हुए हैं. So let's hope that this year brings new opportunities so that you can grow financially. Travel is also going to be there, and there is going to be good amount of travel. Overall, a very good year for students as well. They will do extremely well in this coming year. Going forward, how is this year for Capricorn's Makar Rashi? Let us see how 2026 would be for you. इस साल में काफी अपॉर्चुनिटीज आएंगी टू ट्रैवल, टू मूव फॉरवर्ड. आपको काफी इन्फ्लुएंशियल इंसान का योगदान रहेगा टू हेल्प यू आउट इन योर बिजनेस, इन योर फाइनेंसेस. रिलेशनशिप्स आर शोइंग फ्री फ्लोइंग एनर्जी. तो रिलेशनशिप्स के लिए भी ये साल बहुत ही अच्छा रहेगा. दोज हु आर लुकिंग टू गेट मैरिड मे गेट मैरिड इन दिस ईयर. There is travel, there is also savings. You will be able to make good amount of savings this year. All in all, a very blessed year for you. How is the year 2026 for Aquarians Kumbh Rashi? What do the cards have in store for you? ये साल में काफी बैलेंस करने की जरूरत है. हेल्थ बहुत ही अच्छी रहेगी. देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ इम्प्रूवमेंट. जो आप नहीं अचीव कर सकते थे आप अचीव करेंगे. वर्क वाइज आपको थोड़ा ध्यान देना है कि यू डू नॉट रिपीट पास्ट मिस्टेक्स और फेलियर्स. मनी इज कमिंग टू यू इन अबंडेंस. ट्रैवल भी रहेगा, थोड़ा ध्यान देना है ट्रैवल में. Overall, a very good year to invest in property or to invest in your business. It will go forward and you will do extremely well. Move forward for Meen Rashi Pisceans. और ये साल कैसे रहेगा for them 2026? What do the cards have in store? This year you have to be a little careful about heartbreak. Also health could be affected. आपको health पे ज़्यादा ध्यान देना है. Those who have heart issues should definitely get themselves checked. Relationships need a little healing. This year would be for healing. Work wise you are going to do extremely well. A dream come true kind of card. पैसे के मामले में थोड़ा डिससैटिस्फैक्शन रहेगा, but that would improve by the year end. There would be travel and also opportunities to earn from overseas. Some important tips for the year 2026. 2026 के लिए कई इंपॉर्टेंट टिप्स मैं देना चाहूंगी कि ये साल आपके लिए काफी प्रॉफिटेबल रहे. सबसे पहले इन्वेस्ट इन गोल्ड एंड सिल्वर. This is the year that the prices would reach all-time high. Prices of gold, that is सोना और चांदी के जो prices है काफी आगे आगे तेजी से बढ़ेंगे. तो आपको उसमें इन्वेस्ट करना है. दूसरा इंपॉर्टेंट टिप है कि कोई भी फाइनेंशियल डॉक्यूमेंट्स हो, कोई भी इंपॉर्टेंट पेपर्स हो, आपको लिखना है साल 2026, दैट इज 2026, या कि only 26, क्योंकि 26 signifies number 8. It adds up to 8, which is Saturn, Shani, whereas 2026 adds up to 1, which is Surya. तो जब भी आप लिखे तो आप पूरा साल लिखे 2026, 2026 for further gains, financial profits. Let's hope that this coming year is filled with prosperity for you. मेरी बहुत बहुत सारी शुभकामनाएं आप सबके लिए.